11th class se thu sanga la jule tanga ta next topic po young important topic chigino empirical formula and molecular formula ta empirical formula na molecular formula phingche se fia questions mangpo yano numerical yano ta tiu nang related ngata I topic po discussion za pishinga la chunjik empirical formula ngata chi zeno zena compound jigina nga atoms jik combine song tyak te atom gun sangme sang simplest whole number ratio na kazui combine song te duk te wa ngata empirical formula zano for example ngata ethanol so na ethanol na chirgyong duk carbon hydrogen na oxygen yomiro CH2O zerkan jigwad na goma khwe simple whole number ratio kho chik chik duk kho 2 kho 1 te ratio wala simplest whole number ratio ka vena kao compound jina te atom sankhya parla simplest whole number ratio dukkan ba empirical formula zano teni molecular formula che zano zena teni exact atom bo molecules jigina nga ya molecule bo ngata compound jig dukte do te vena nga exact ratio of the atoms yo ches po te ngata molecular formula zano ta ethanol khurina khura exact ratio chamam duk C2H6O zete yomiro simplest whole number ratio and kwena exact number of atoms of shiduk tiu gniski difference po empirical na molecular formula na ote nongbe e empirical formula calculate joches nang related tevena questions mong po anok tateo na po iwe karax tenga ta question jik discussion he a compound contains 4.0% hydrogen 24.27% carbon and 71.65% chlorine. Full stop. Its molar mass is 98.96 gram. What are the empirical and molecular formula? The empirical and molecular formula o things zetano ngata sol chos zetano. Teo sol choches phiang ngata I chos table jik cho samu. Temani ke bugina pura step by step tangste lengthy jik tangste duk paya ngata ina zui table ji form na chos tanga ma la ringa bing duk. Teo ngata discuss cho chenole. I table bena tenichi tangste duk zena table jikchosten elements ngatate compound bena elements ka gundu carbon hydrogen nang chlorine duglo tente gune atomic mass diches carbon atomic mass sa menok 12 hydrogen e 1 tena choslanga ta chlorine 35.5 inongle teo diches testing ne ngata khwe percentage sam rik tangste duk te gun diches 24.27 bo carbon tangste duk 24.27 carbon hydrogen bo 4.07% hydrogen and chlorine bo 71.65% chlorine daste do testing ne ngata chi chon samsang la element tene atomic mass tene percentage testing ne atomic mass ratio phing lo atomic mass ratio ta ote atomic mass ratio ka ju phiano zena percentage divided by atomic mass na ches koi percentage divided by atomic mass igata so that is equal to almost equal to 2.2. The equi percentage 4.07 divided by 1 is 4.07 crowns. 71.65 divided by 35.5 is equal to 2.02 jitoshiyondo. Is that fine? You song at a simple chilo atomic mass ratios against pinglo. Testing ne ta chichano the next step pena simple whole number ratio jipiano. The whole number ratio jina ta convert chos look teo ta piano zeno teo kazui convert chano whole number zena E का वैल्यू सुम मांग सांगता E का 2.224 jig E का 2 jig E का आंस ता E वैल्यू छंगमाला E छंगक्यांग ने छंगमे संग न्यूशॉक पना पो डिवाइड चोन जैसे 2.2 वा छंगमे संग न्यूशॉक इना का दुक 2.02 तो that means 2.2 divided by 2.02 it is almost equal to 1 2 point चितों शिक नांग 2 point चितों शिक पो लगभग 1 जिगवानो पता है tipia almost ne na dia no ge chapik shigi zuk yota 4.07 divided by 2.02 yotna teo almost 2 2 1 za 2 2 za 4 uzuk shiyon chen you know ta po tem chai shikta different zone du pa ya teo ngata almost ne na dia no te even a 2.02 o khorang na po changme sang chukshop 2.02 which is equal to 1 ta iyo ngata chi bingtenok tene empirical formula bingtenok carbon sa metya 1 hydrogen 2 chlorine 1 therefore empirical formula is equal to C1 C1 H2 H2 Cl1 Cl1 so ale o tyo chocheno testing ne ta empirical formula bing ta molecular formula phingche sepia gomanga ta empirical formula mass popingo sam khui e formula vena khui mass pocham duk tyo phingches khui na carbon sam duk chik chik 1 into 12 plus 2 into 1 2 into 1 plus 1 into 35.5 chlorine 35.5 yung ngata total chona po ngata exam yung duk khui mass po 49.5 yung usong goma empirical formula ta inner table can being empirical formula mass pangata calculate chose testing neta molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula no you formula shigino hey te phe tu bar molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula te n bochino empirical formula tangati layot te n bochino zena n bonorle molar mass divided by empirical formula mass po chona tenengata n value biano ngata molar mass given dugmiro 98.96 tyongi kachoste data n is equal to 98.96 divided by empirical formula mass ikapings the empirical formula mass po chamons 49.5 49.5 ons you know you divide chona ya almost 2 yong dug n value Tini ngata even output chochenok molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula zena n bo 2 yons empirical formula C1H2Cl1 yons tyo ikadistemo that is equal to C1 bo 2 na patana C2H4Cl2 zeteno izu compound jigin kya zeteno you answer binteno you molecular formula binteno you empirical formula binteno very simple empirical formula nampo related yang question jigyodle question baltana determine the molecular formula of an oxide of iron in which the mass percent of iron and oxygen is 69.9 and 30.1 respectively that means eo 69.9 bo iron in kya iron in kya yang 30.1 bo oxygen in kya respectively is pa the molar mass of the compound is 160 gram per mole zate 160 tas dunga ta koi molar mass po tayang nga tay koi empirical formula ka zupiano molecular formula ka zupiano zana nga tayang sama sanga la chi chatpin table jik chatpin the table e go khuri ka da element de pin element ka du iron na oxygen du atomic mass iron atomic mass kia ika given yung sano he te mane paper gune na kia given you do che zan you kia pin yan meno iron mass po 56 inok oxygen ita ki eping yano oxygen atomic number 8 8 double chona 16 you must one the percentage 69.9 and 30.1 this thing ata chi pin atomic mass ratio kaho percentage divided by atomic mass chapin percentage 69.9 upon 56 is equal to 1.2 yonsto then also like percentage 30.1 divided by 16 which is equal to 1.8 empirical formula nampo related yang question jigyodle question baltana determine the molecular formula of an oxide of iron in which the mass percent of iron and oxygen is 69.9 and 30.1 respectively that means eo 69.9 bo iron in kya iron in kya yang 30.1 bo oxygen in kya respectively is pa the molar mass of the compound is 160 gram per mole zate 160 tas dunga ta koi molar mass po tayang ata koi empirical formula ka zupiano molecular formula ka zupiano zana tayang sama sanga la chi chatpin table jik chatpin the table e go khuri ka da element de pin element ka du iron na oxygen du atomic mass iron atomic mass kia ika given yung sano he te mane paper gune na kia given you do che zan you kia pin yan meno iron mass po 56 inok oxygen ita ki eping yano oxygen atomic number 8 8 double chona 16 you must one the percentage 69.9 and 30.1 this thing ata chi pin atomic mass ratio kaho percentage divided by atomic mass chapin percentage 69.9 upon 56 is equal to 1.2 yonsto then also like percentage 30.1 divided by 16 which is equal to 1.8 is equal to 1.8 this thing ata chi pin simple whole number ratio ta ing is ki ang nyung shok pa du 1.2 nyun miro te pia 1.2 divided by 1.2 which is equal to 1. Then it's like 1.8 divided by 1.2 that is almost equal to 1.5 yung du. Ta yu nga ta ya fe o thore nga ta empirical formula dare nga ta ina sakpa man ma chono. Ta izui decimal point na yot na tene teo convert cho sanok simplest ratio na. Tini you decimal metkan choches phechi na po multiply time so that samesa number chun bo ka na po multiply time so that ika decimal point milu zena 3 na po 2 na po multiply tanga ko 3 gurala 2 5 za 10 2 1 za 2 3.6 is tingne 3 gur magira otio chosteno I galtes ka to iwa 2 na po multiply tanga iwa tango sanok tini ngata empirical formula chi girdu Fe2O3 songa Fe2O3 testing ko empirical formula mass ping you dicheno testing ngata chi ping cheno empirical formula mass testing ne the molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula mass त्यो tameda the n value kazu piano molar mass divided by empirical formula mass कि molar mass given dug ika 160 gram per mole tene ive mass sa me ongduk त्यो खेलता चेनो empirical formula mass po त्यो न त्यो divide cho na po sum n value yung nang tene I empirical formula ve ka te n value na po multiply tang cheno gua tang na juga tang na ko chok sang o tene answer bing cheno de I onok ngatai empirical formula and molecular formula based questions kun ka ju solve cho chen te unge question nis nam po discuss chosten या जुलै